I've got Samsung Galaxy A40 and let me show you how to allow unknown sources on the following device. So at first, open the list of all applications, then find and select the settings, find and pick apps, so it's here, 4 dots icon, tap on more icon in the upper corner and go to special access. Scroll down a bit and pick install unknown apps. And now you can allow some particular apps installation, the other applications from those sources. So simply tap on this switcher, allow from this source, and from now on every app from Chrome or from Gmail or any app that you will choose will be able to install app from it. So that's how you can allow installation apps from unknown sources. You can select the source that you would like to allow it for, and apparently that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.